Hi everyone! Another art time with Teacher Reg. These are the materials that we will be using today. Kindly prepare everything, and once you're ready, let's begin! Step 1. Using your colored pencils, color and decorate the craft template. Remember, you may use any color and you may decorate any way you want. Next step, step 2. Please get your pair of scissors and let's cut the template just like so. For the last step, which is step 3, we are going to be needing our glue stick. So do you see this broken line here? We're going to fold following the broken line just like this. And then after that, we are going to paste this on the bird just like so. So we put a little bit of glue on this side. And then once you put a little bit of glue, it's time for us to stick it on the bird. Next, can you see the broken lines here on top? So we're going to flip the paper and fold it at the back following the broken lines once again. And then after that, we're going to fold it going to the front, just like this. And then once you're done, kindly get your colored pencils once again. And we are going to add some more design. So you can color or add whatever design you want, or symbols like spirals or hearts or stars. It's all up to you. Now what I'm doing is only an example. We are almost done. So if you're done, it will look somehow just like this. And you have another copy of this craft template. So you may do another design. You may use other colors as well. Thank you for watching. That's it for today. I'll see you again next time. Bye!